Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here Muhammad Tayyib from Army Public School and College Khanewal. Your class is ninth, your subject is physics, week is 6 online sport program, topic is 3 and your subject teacher is Mr. Muhammad Tayyib. Today our topic is major sources of energy, wind energy and geothermal energy. And our objective is at the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand wind energy and geothermal energy. And day is 3. First of all, we will discuss our previous topic, solar cells. Solar cell can also be converted directly into electricity by solar cells. A solar cell, also called photocell, is made from silicon wafers. When sunlight falls on a solar cell, it converts the light directly into electrical energy. Solar cells are used in calculators, watches, and toys. Large number of solar cells are wired together to form solar panel. Solar panel can provide power to telephone booths, lighthouses, and scientific research centers. Solar panels are also used to power satellites. Several other methods to trap sun rays are underway. If scientists could find an efficient and inexpensive method to use solar energy, then the people would get clean, limitless energy as long as the sun continues to shine. Now we will come back to our today topic, wind energy. Wind has been used as a source of energy for countries for centuries. It has powered sailing ships across the oceans. It has been used by windmills to grind grain and pump water. More recently, wind power is used to run wind turbines. When many wind machines are grouped together on wind farms, they can generate enough power to operate a power plant. In a United States, some wind farms generate more than 1300 megawatt of electricity a day. In Europe, many wind farms routinely generates 100 megawatt of more electricity a day. I will share you the animation video about the wind energy that is more helpful to you for learning.
Wind energy. The motion of large mass of air causes wind. The wind possesses kinetic energy, and this energy can be utilized for doing work. Sailboats and windmills use wind energy. Electricity is also produced from wind energy. Sun rays are much stronger near the equator than the polar regions, so air in the equatorial region becomes warmer and its density decreases. The lighter air rises up and the pressure decreases. Cooler air from polar regions moves towards the equator to replace the warmer air. This motion of air causes wind. Wind is classified into different types based on their speed. Low-speed wind is known as breeze, approximately 5 kilometers per hour. High-speed wind is storm. The speed of tornado is approximately 800 kilometers per hour. Wind is a renewable source of energy which can be reused. Principle of windmill. The blades of windmill are designed to create a pressure difference when wind strikes them. This pressure difference makes the blades rotate. A number of windmills erected over a large area is known as wind energy farm. Limitations of wind energy. It is not available at all times and at all places. Speed of the wind varies from place to place and time to time, so it is not a dependable source of energy. Advantages of wind energy. In spite of the above limitations, the important advantage of wind energy is that it causes no pollution and it is available free of cost.
Next one is geothermal energy. In some parts of the world, the earth provides us hot water from geysers and hot springs. There is hot molten parts deep in the earth called magma. Water reaching close to the magma change to steam due to the high temperature of magma. This energy is called the geothermal energy. Geothermal well can be built by drilling deep near hot rocks at places where magma is not very deep. Water is then pushed on into the well. The rocks quickly heat the water and change it into steams. It expands and move up to the surface. The steam can be piped directly into the house and office for heating purpose, or it can be used to generate electricity. I will share you the animation about the geothermal energy that is more helpful to you for learning.
Geothermal. Geothermal refers to producing energy from the internal heat of the earth. The internal heat of the earth is generated from radioactive decay of minerals and continual heat loss from the earth's original formation. Geothermal wells are drilled into the earth's crust at approximately a depth of 3 to 10 kilometers. The heat is extracted with a variety of methods, but in most cases is drawn from the earth using water and steam. Hot water from the earth may be directly extracted to heat homes and buildings. This is done either by directly circulating the hot water through buildings or by pumping it through a heat exchanger that transfers the heat to the building. Geothermal heat can also be used to produce electricity in a geothermal power plant. Electricity is generated when geothermal heat produces steam that turns turbines on a generator. The major regions of geothermal development are in the most volcanically and tectonically active regions of the world. Though geothermal energy is currently a small player in the world's energy mix, one of its key advantages is its reliability and consistent power generation, which means it can provide baseload electricity. Concerns with geothermal include the accidental release of CO2 and hydrogen sulfide emissions stored in the Earth's groundwater that is often used to carry geothermal heat to the Earth's surface. Additionally, drawing heat from the Earth's crust can, if done irresponsibly, lower the ground temperature below the surface. The upfront costs for geothermal energy production are relatively high. It is expensive to carry out the seismic sensing, test well drilling, confirmation testing, and other necessary preliminary investigations to ensure that your new geothermal plant will be capable of meeting desired production. That's geothermal.
Next is your assignment, learn and write wind energy and geothermal energy. Thank you.